AMC just got some of the best news that we have heard in a while, and this time it is relative to the fundamentals. I'm sure some of you know what I'm talking about, I'm sure some of you do not, but we're going to be discussing it in this video. We're going to be talking about what it means and speaking about where we are. Subscribe if you haven't already, please. We're trying to grow the channel, but remember, this is not financial advice, but we're going to dive in. So what we have is this article over here coming from Yahoo Finance, and it is really a great read. So AMC Entertainment previews the fourth quarter 2021 preliminary results. So of course this is talking about where we did in 2021. What we have to say is today the company released its preliminary results, and this was in fact published today, so there you go. And it speaks about the fact that how we did in 2021 quarter 4 was actually fairly good. So let's have a quick read, but it does say down here is subject to the completion of the company's financial reporting process, and that is how the figures are discussed, but they are actually unaudited. And when we have a quick read a bit further on, we can see when we have a look at the data, it shows that the reporting processes based on information known to management as at the date of the press release and do not represent a comprehensive statement of our financial results for the 3 months ended December. But it does give us, of course, a little bit of a picture of where we are, so let's have a discussion about what it says. So what we're looking at here is total revenues for the 3 months, of course, in quarter 4 to be approximately 1.1, almost even 1.2 billion. That's of course 1,171 million for those interested, compared to the 162 million for the same time in the previous year. Massive, massive jump there. And that speaks volumes about the fundamentals here of AMC, how strong they are, how well our company is doing. Amazing change there. Anyway, the net loss for the 3 months ended, of course, quarter 4 is to be between 194.8 and 114.8 million, including an estimated non-cash impairment change related to the long-lived assets 50 million to 125 million. So clearly these are the rough figures, but there we go. And that is, of course, still a massive change because it is a comparison to the net loss figure in the previous year of 946.1 million for the quarter 4 in 2020, which included a non-cash impairment change relative to long assets, and that was around 466 million. So the adjusted EBITDA to be between 146.8 and 151.8 million for the 3 months, of course, and that's compared to the figures in the previous year where we actually had a loss of 327 million for 2020. The operating cash burn generated for that same period, of course, is going to be approximately 216 million. The available liquidity is about 1.8 billion. The cash and cash equivalents is said to be about 1.6 almost billion for 2021, so still very good. And we can see that's a quick summary. Adam Aaron over here spoke about the fact that AMC's 2021 results improved significantly as the year progressed, and we finished with the strongest quarter in 2 years. The fourth quarter marks a meaningful milestone in positive EBITDA for more than 145 million, positive operating cash generated more than 250 million, and a record year ending liquidity position with 1.8 billion. So of course these figures are fairly rough, but it is an insight as to where we are with AMC. Massive improvements being made on a fundamental level, and that matters even though it may seem like it doesn't. And the reason why that matters is because whilst we're here for the short squeeze, now it's almost a point that cannot be denied that AMC does really have some value. That conversation about it being a company which is going to die is pretty much dead, and they can spread whatever FUD they like about movies this year going to be terrible, but obviously that is not something that they know to be true. That's just a speculation. We could just speculate that movies are going to be great this year. But the point still stands. The figures are brilliant for AMC, and if we do compare that to what has been said as well by Yahoo Finance in a different article and speak about the price, it says how AMC could rise to 52 as the return of positive free cash flow comes back in. So it just goes to show how profitability can affect AMC in the future. So what I'm trying to say in this video, I'm just trying to make a note of where we are. And I know that the price jump today does seem like it could be tied to that. Some will say it is, some will say it isn't. What I'm trying to say is I'm still feeling very happy about AMC. I think this highlights where we are doing and how we are doing as a company. I think it puts us again in that strong position. They keep telling us that AMC is a dead company, but all I'm hearing time and time again is stuff which reinstates my belief that AMC is doing well. All I keep seeing is the data to actually back that up. And again, as I've said before, initially this was a conversation about a company which is dead and dying. Now that conversation has completely flipped. AMC is in a better place than it has been for a long time. Again, as Adam Aron said, Q4 was one of the strongest that we've seen in years, and that is really a great thing to remember. So whatever they say about AMC right now, I do not see how there could be any bears on this one. Where is the bear argument? Because the price is already ridiculously low, so there's not really a bear argument for this one going much lower, in my opinion. On top of that, we know as well that the company's doing well, so there's not much room for argument there either. So where is the bear case now? What is the bear case now? Why is AMC not worth its value? Why is AMC going to go down? I really don't know why. I don't know how that could be explained. So if anybody does in the comment section want to give me an explanation on the bear case of AMC, I do want to hear it genuinely. Again, I'm more than happy to hear all different opinions, but I personally am bullish on AMC, and it's things like this which make me feel bullish. So give it a like if you agree, subscribe if you like this sort of content, more stuff coming at you in the future. But yes, do make sure to subscribe and I'll be back with you later on for more stuff, so see you soon. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.